Hi everybody, so tonight we're going to have a go at another JD Seasonings recipe, two in fact. We're going to do JD Seasonings Bombay potatoes and we're going to do a JD Seasonings chicken and mushroom Balti. Okay, so we've already got some of the stuff prepared. Here's what we've got. Right, for the Bombay potatoes, we've got the JD Seasonings Bombay potato mix. We've got some lazy garlic there to save us a bit of prep work, half an onion roughly chopped, some tomato puree. This isn't good video, but there's half a lemon squeezed in there and a couple of tablespoons of water in there, and a bit of coriander there to chop up to go on the top. We've also got 700 grams of potatoes chopped up into chunks there, and they're just coming to the boil now. Meanwhile, for the Balti, we have 600 grams of chicken chopped up in a cube, some roughly chopped onion, chopped green pepper, some mushrooms, chicken stock, tin of tomatoes blitzed down with a hand blender, the other half of a lemon squeezed into there, some more lazy garlic and some lazy ginger chopped up as well there. Okay, and of course the obligatory Balti mix from JD, and some fry light to fry the chicken off in. Okay, so let's start putting it all together. Okay, I'm going to coat my pan, a bit of fry light, there we go, and get the pan going on a medium heat. Okay, so we get the pan warmed up, and then we're going to chuck in the onions. Okay, so I'm going to fry them onions now until they are starting to brown. Okay, so the onions are nicely browning, so I'm now going to put in there my garlic and ginger and the peppers. Okay, and give them a stir there. And then we'll put the chicken in. Give that a good stir for a couple of minutes. Alexa, time 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Okay, the chicken's just nicely browning now, so I'm going to put in the JD Balti mix. Give that a good shake. Put it all in there. The last little bits out, they all count. And we're going to give that a good stir. I'll fry that now for another 2 minutes. So, back with you then. Okay, that's starting to smell really good now. So the next thing to do, pour in the lemon juice and give that a really good stir. Now I'm going to add in the blended tomatoes. There we go. And the stock. There we go. Lovely. That has to come to the boil now. At this point I'm also going to put some mushrooms in, because we like mushrooms. There we go. That is now going to heat up, bring to the boil, and I'm going to turn it down and simmer it for 30 to 40 minutes until it's a nice thick consistency. So we'll do that. We'll come back to see that in about half an hour or so, and meanwhile we'll sort out the Bombay potatoes and the rice.
Okay, I'm going to start doing the Bombay potatoes. First of all, I have already part-boiled my potatoes. As you can see, they're all ready to go, and I'll just put them there. Now I'm going to spray light my frying pan, and in there I'm going to cook on a low heat some half of onion. And I'm going to fry these until they're brown. Right, now my onions have started to brown, I'm going to add my garlic, and I'm going to cook this for 1 minute. Lesser time 1 minute. Right, I'm going to add my Bombay potato mix. I'm going to mix that into the onion.
Get the last bits out.
And the potatoes. Mix it all up. Have a mucky pop. I'm going to add the tomato puree, the lemon juice and the water. And I'm going to cook this up for 5 to 7 minutes. Right, the Bombay potatoes are done. I'm going to put them in a dish and keep them warm in the oven. Don't they look delicious? If you want to add, because we're doing it as a Slimming World menu, if you want to add a little bit more speed, you could put less potato in and add some spinach, and then you could make sagaloo, which is also very nice. Okay.
Okay, that's been simmering now for nearly 40 minutes, and you see that's reduced down nicely with a nice thick sauce. So we're going to dish that up, and we'll show you what it looks like in the bowls. there we have it served up. Mine with the coriander on and Tina's without because she doesn't like coriander. As you can see, we did cheat a bit with the peeler rice. That's Tilda microwave peeler rice that comes in for Slimming World people at 4 cents a pouch. I'll show you a picture of the packet in a second. So there you go. We're going to go and eat that now. So until next time, it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.
Bye.